All right, just got back from Total Archery Challenge in Oklahoma. Absolute blast. Had a great time. I don't film a whole lot of long content, long videos, big cameras, all that stuff at Total Archery Challenge. There's just so many people. You're just waiting at shots, and people behind you are waiting, getting irritated that you're taking a long time. So I try not to film with the big cameras and the tripods at that. And sometimes it's just nice just to have a shoot and not have to deal with all that and just have a good time with your buddies. So that's kind of what I do at Total Archery Challenge. There's gonna be a million videos about Total Archery Challenge, so I don't really feel like I need to be the one to put a video out on it. But I do record a lot of stuff. Check out TikTok. There'll be a lot of things on TikTok, Instagram. Most of them are on here, but they're gonna be vertical, so it's not gonna take up the full screen. It just looks better on TikTok and Instagram doing that. So go follow that stuff. It's linked down below. Go check out Black Flag, energy, hydration, vitamins, creatine, supplements, stuff like that. Use TripleRwoods to check out. It'll save you some money. Free shipping on every order, which is fantastic and awesome. So Rambo Bikes, if you're looking for an e-bike, check out rambobikes.com. It's getting time to start putting cameras out, and an e-bike's a good way to do it. So TripleRwoods, check out. We'll save yourself 20% on Rambo Bikes. One of the very few discount codes for Rambo Bikes that you can find. So check them out. Enjoy these videos. It's not every shot. It's the dialed course, which is the island. It was Sitka last year. It's the island. And the prime course. Both were a blast. I really thought the dialed course, formerly known as Sitka, was a blast this year, whereas in years past the water's been up, so you didn't have a lot of long shots. This year you had multiple shots kind of over some coves and stuff. My one complaint was I don't like the $500 package to where you can register early. I think it prices the little guy out, the guys who made Total Archery Challenge what it is, just the everyday blue-collar guy that wants to go hang out with buddies and shoot bows. He can't get the best times because he doesn't want to spend $500 for one ticket for 3 days to go shoot a course and to register early. So, for example, the dialed course, which is the most popular course, we had to shoot at 2 o'clock, which is late. That means we didn't get off the course. When we got off the dialed course around 7, all the vendor village was closed. It was like a ghost town. So, we're having to shoot really late because I'm not willing to pay $500 to go shoot that course. So I don't like that method. I mean, maybe it helped with their registration process, but I think the guys, the blue collar guys that just want to go shoot bows with their buddies, I think it prices them out. And you've got either influencers, not an influencer, but influencers, or guys that got deeper pockets. They get to go get the best times and the best courses and all that stuff. To me, that makes me feel icky. I don't really like that. I'm not a fan of that. I wish there was a better way. If you got a better idea, let me know. If you had to shoot in the rain Saturday morning, I'm sorry, because that was not a very good rainstorm. I was in my Airbnb, nice and toasty and asleep because I didn't get to shoot until 2 o'clock. So anyway, enjoy the video, guys. Let me know what your thoughts on it. Did you shoot in that rainstorm? Did the $500 to buy a weekend pass so that you didn't have to register like everyone else, did that make you feel a little bit a little weird about it? Because it did me. So let me know what you think about it. Appreciate you guys. Shot 3D Kansas coming up soon. There should be a good long form video of that coming out shortly. Appreciate you. That's good.
Ooh, that one's. Slope.
The part that takes so long is the pull.
That would have been better. We'll do that at the halfway point for the first aid kit.
Yeah. Catch us if you can. Matthews.
Installed. That's the Matthews crew right there.
Nothing could go wrong.
Rebuilding. Rebuilding.
There.